Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This time it is the very famous Chitrakoot waterfalls. Its location is approximately 40 kilometers from Jagdalpur in Chhattisgarh. The height of the fall is about 95 feet and it is the widest fall in India, width of about 1000 feet during the monsoon season, and it is often called as the Niagara Falls of India. Unfortunately, the video we captured is not in monsoon, so the water flow is less. If you're visiting the waterfalls, then do not miss the boat ride, as the boat ride takes you very close to the waterfalls, literally just a few meters away, and that's an experience that you can never forget. If you're lucky, you can also see the rainbow at the mouth of the waterfall. If you are from Vizag, the best and economic way to reach the waterfall is by train. There is a weekly train which is the most convenient, I felt, as a return train is available the very next day, and it's just an 8-hour journey. Additional travel details are available in the description of the video. If you're planning to stay overnight or for extended stay, there is a resort available, Dandami Resort, nearby. Last but very important, a lot of people ask, is Chitrakoot safe to visit? Well, the answer is yes, it is completely safe from law and order perspective. I've been to Chitrakoot multiple times so far and never really came across any issues whatsoever. I also met few people camping overnight at Chitrakoot waterfalls, and they said it is absolutely safe camping there. Here's the boat ride video, guys. As mentioned earlier, boat ride is something that you cannot miss out on, and that's an experience that you will never forget.